Did you know Odysseus ordered his crew to tie him to the mast before sailing past the sirens? Not because he was weak, because he was smart. He knew the siren's song would make him beg to be untied. He knew his future self would lie, plead, and promise anything to get free. So he made the decision before the temptation arrived. His crew plugged their ears. He got bound to the mast. The system held, even when he lost control. Behavioral scientists today call this a commitment device. You build a structure that protects your future self from your weaker self. And here's what that means for you. Willpower is not the answer. Willpower runs out. It fades under pressure, under stress, under a bad night's sleep. But systems don't. Delete the app before you need to resist it. Put your phone in another room before you sit down to work. Make the bad choice harder to reach. Don't rely on discipline in the moment. Design your environment before the moment comes. That's not weakness, that's wisdom.